Imagine a world where the demand for a particular profession is skyrocketing, a profession that offers stability, a sense of purpose, and the chance to make a real difference. Welcome to the world of sterile processing technicians. In these times where health and safety are paramount, sterile processing technicians are the unsung heroes, the guardians of health, ensuring that every piece of medical equipment is sterile, safe, and ready for use. They are the backbone of the medical world, playing a crucial role in patient care. The benefits of becoming a sterile processing technician are vast. This is a profession that offers robust job security. In a world where careers can be unpredictable, this role provides a stable foundation, a career that is resilient to economic downturns. It's a field that needs you today, tomorrow, and far into the future. But the rewards go beyond job security. This is a career that lets you make a tangible difference every single day. Picture this. With each instrument you sterilize, you're playing a part in saving lives, in healing, in making the world a healthier place. You're not just earning a living, you're contributing to the greater good. And it's not just about the here and now. By becoming a sterile processing technician, you're stepping into a profession that offers ample opportunities for advancement. It's a stepping stone, a launching pad into the broader healthcare industry. You're not just starting a job, you're beginning a career with limitless potential. Now, what if you could start this journey today? What if you could step into this high-demand, rewarding profession with just a few months of specialized training? The opportunity is right here, right now. The Concord Rusum School is offering a course designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel as a sterile processing technician. The next class starts on March 4th, 2024. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. It's time to seize the moment, to take control of your future, to step into a career that offers stability, satisfaction, and the chance to make a real difference. Enroll in the Sterile Processing Technician course at the Concord Rusum School today, because your future in healthcare starts now, and it starts here. Don't wait. Grab your spot today.